It's the elevator at Macy's, Town Center, Boca Raton, in Boca Raton, Florida, and this is a general elevator. Here it comes. Here it is. Whoops.
I told you how to run me that.
Here's the 4 lantern. Go up to 3.
3, please.
Here's the floor indicator. Capacity 3,500 pounds. The firefighter's operation. It's a general elevator. Here we're at 3.
Here.
Go back down to 1. What floor are you guys going to?
What?
Oops. Do you mind if I get a quick cab view of the elevator?
See what?
A cab view. I just videotape elevators. To get a cab view. I'm sorry if you don't. I don't want you to be in the video. It's a pretty typical elevator for a Macy's. Here we are. 1. Come on. You guys come on out.
Yep, are you?
Actually, I'm holding the door for you first.
Oh, thank you.
And that's it.